Dynamically evaluating simple boolean logic in Python. I've got some dynamically generated boolean logic expressions, like A or B, and C or DA or A and BA. Empty evaluates to true. The placeholders get replaced with booleans. Should I convert this information to a Python expression like true or false, and eval it? Create a binary tree where a node is either a bool or conjunction/disjunction object and recursively evaluate it? Convert it into nested S expressions and use a Lisp parser? Something else? Suggestions welcome.
It shouldn't be difficult at all to write an evaluator that can handle this, for example using parsing. You only have a few operations to handle, and, or, and grouping, so you should be able to parse and evaluate it yourself. You shouldn't need to explicitly form the binary tree to evaluate the expression.
Here's a small, possibly, 74 lines including whitespace, module I built in about an hour and a half, plus almost an hour to refactoring. The simple tests give. Partially off topic possibly. Note that you can easily configure the tokens, both operands and operators, you use with the poor man's dependency injection means provided, token_to_char equals token_to_char and friends, to have multiple different evaluators at the same time. Just resetting the injected by default globals will leave you with a single behavior. For example, gives.
If you set up dicts with the locals and globals you care about, then you should be able to safely pass them along with the expression into eval.
Sounds like a piece of cake using SymPy logic module. They even have an example of that on the docs. This URL